Okay, now we're going to do a demonstration on how to review analytics for headcount analysis and people by department. So I'm here on my home screen. I'm going to click on my links here onto the side here and go to Personnel Management. And from here, I'm going to do an Analytics All Companies and wait for that to render the page. When there's graphics, it's going to be a little bit slower than normal, but this has some graphics. Came up pretty fast. So as you can see, we have people metrics. We've got some information as to the total headcount of all companies, attrition level, open to fill position percentages. We have headcount by location. We've got assigned and inactive positions by department and so forth. We've got a couple different other features we can do from here. We can do a filter, and we can choose, let's say, a particular company we wanted to look at. If we wanted to look at USMF only, for example, all the numbers will change. You'll see different number of employees, different number of attrition, and so forth. So now we'll go back to select all in this particular view, so you can see how that can change. And you also have we also have this ability here. If you notice on each graphic area, you've got a little elliptical up here for some choices. So if we wanted to head count by age and gender, you can click on those three dots and then see the actual data that comprises it. So here we have it by age and gender. It shows you the female and the male, female being in the red, as you can see here, and the male for employees by age. And then you can go back to the reports. You can do this on any of these areas. You can actually open to filled positions. You can see here. You can export the data. You can look over here and you can actually see the data here in the United States, where we have, this is the assigned and inactive positions by departments. You can see the assigned positions and inactive here in retail operations. Everything else is active. So then we go back to the report and we can see head count by department. We can actually go over here to see the data, and there you see the head count by department. So that is the analytics page here in Personnel Management, a very valuable tool for you to use in your company.